Hi everyone, John here from TestGorilla. We've got some exciting updates this month driven directly by your feedback. Let's take a look. First up, a faster, wider candidate results table. You told us loading speed was frustrating. One customer said, "The loading time seems tiny, but I feel so annoyed. It takes forever." Another added, "Speed is a big issue and pains my heart." We heard you. The results table now loads 5 times faster and fits your entire screen. No horizontal scrolling needed. Next, enhanced CSV and Excel exports. Exports now include device and location data to match the anti-cheating info shown in-app. Plus, candidates are sorted by assessment score, making your offline analysis easier. Lastly, viewing short text answers in custom tests got easier. As one customer shared, reviewing answers for custom created tests is essential to understanding candidate suitability. We listened. Now all responses to all question types in custom tests, including short text answers, are easily viewable, making evaluations quicker and more insightful. Your feedback makes TestGorilla better every month. Keep it coming. Stay tuned for more updates next month. Thanks for watching.